Hi, this is Dr. Martin, and in this video I will talk about the anatomical structure of the kidney. And kidneys are paired organs, and they're covered with the dense irregular connective tissue, and that represents the renal capsule, and it protects and shapes the kidney. An underlying layer we will call renal cortex. You see it, the most outside layer under the capsule, and we have the renal medulla underlining the renal cortex. Renal medulla has 6 to 8 renal pyramid, and cortex extend between the renal pyramids. We call this structure renal column. Tip of the renal pyramid we will call renal papillae, and renal papillae opens because they have collecting ducts. Collecting duct opens through the renal papillae to this space we will call renal sinus. And this structure we will call minor calyx. Minor calyxes combine, they form the major calyx, and major calyxes combine and they form the renal pelvis. And after renal pelvis, kidney ends and ureter starts. So that is the ureter. This space that structures gets in and out to serve to the kidney, we will call renal hylum. And the vascularization is important. And you see renal artery, you see renal vein. Renal artery supply the blood to kidney. Renal vein collects the deoxygenated blood and returns to inferior vena cava. And through inferior vena cava goes to right atrium and become part of the systemic circulation. Renal arteries, on the right and left, they branch to the segmental arteries. Those are segmental arteries. Then when they extend between the renal pyramids, we will call them interlobar arteries. Then they curve. When they curve around the renal pyramids, we will call them arcuate arteries. Then they again extend to the cortex. We call this renal interlobular arteries. Remember, this is interlobar, this is interlobular arteries. Then interlobular arteries again branched, and we will call them efferent arterioles. Efferent arterioles. And the veins have the similar names. They extend, they lay next to each other. In the same manner, we will call this the interlobular vein, arcuate vein, interlobar vein, segmental vein, and the renal vein. Then you see the kidney has another organ attached or overlays over the kidney, and this organ, it's the adrenal gland. This is the adrenal gland capsule, and this is the adrenal cortex, and this represents the adrenal medulla.